magandang araw, accounting students, mga ABM students, mga future CPA. Our topic for today is about the branches of accounting. So lesson 2, branches of accounting. At the end of the video, you should be able to define and differentiate the different branches of accounting. Explain the services provided by each of the branches. Do you see the image? Message me how old you think the person is. Do you think she is married or not? So nakikita niyo ba yung image na yan? Ilang taon na kaya siya? Yung picture na yan. Siya ba ay 16 years old? Siya ba ay 80 years old? So normally makikita niyo isang babae dyan. At marami nakakita ng 16 years old na babae. Ganun ang edad. Marami din nakakita ng isang 80 years old na babae. So, ano kahalagaan nito? Ang kahalagaan nito is the same with accounting. So, kung accounting ka, you need to analyze the picture na tingnan mo maigi. Pwede mo makita yung babae pareho. So, kasi sa accounting may iba't iba ring mukha ang accounting. At ngayon makikilala nyo ang iba't ibang branches of accounting. Akala nyo isa lang accounting, no? Iisa sila sa sistema, pero iba't ibang klaseng branches of accounting. So makikita nyo dyan, ang tunay na picture ng babaeng yan ay isang babaeng bata. Ibig sabihin young, maybe 16 years old, at isang babaeng matanda, around 70 to 80. So ganun din sa accounting, makikita nyo ang iba't ibang mukha ng accounting at iba't ibang branches of accounting. So lahat ng accounting ay nagtutuos. Kanina o nung isang araw ay napag-aralan natin na accounting ay kailangan ng analyzing, summarizing, so recording kailangan sa accounting. At later on magkakaroon tayo ng mga financial statement, no? Ang nililista natin dyan yung asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. At pagkatapos na magawa yan, nagagawa ng financial report. Normally, lahat naman ng accounting ganon. At nagkakaroon sila ng interpretation of the financial statement. So, napakahalaga niya sa accounting yang paggawa ng financial report. So, punta tayo sa specialized area of accounting. Ano ba yung tinatawag na specialized area of accounting? So, una, public accounting, then private accounting. Meron din tayong tinatawag na government accounting. At meron namang accounting education. Ang public accounting can be viewed, no? Yan yung tungkol sa public. So, yung accountant dyan serves clients such as business, retailers, manufacturers, service companies, etc., individuals, non-profit organization, and governmental organization. The people employed in public accounting are often certified public accountants. Normally, ito yung mga CPA. Many accountants leave the larger public accountants firms after several years of experience and become an employee at a business or other organization. In their new position, they are referred to as private accountant, corporate accountant, or internal accountant. Pag sabing public accountant o public accounting ang pinapractice mo, ang siniservisyo mo dito yung mga normal na tao, nagbabayad ng mga taxes, retailers, manufacturers, service company. Nagpa-practice ka ng public accounting. At normally, yung mga yan ay mga certified public accountants. At minsan gusto nilang pumunta sa private, no? Maging empleyado sa private, malaking company sa private. Later on, nag-a-apply sila, magiging private accountant or corporate accountant or internal accountant. So yung pangalawa, example ng public accounting service, no? The services provided by public accounting firms vary by the size and the expertise of the firms. Here are some of the public accounting services: preparation, review, and auditing of the client's financial statement, tax work including the preparation of income tax return, estate and tax planning, etc., consulting and advice involving accounting system, mergers and acquisition, and much more. So, yan yung mga ginagawa ng isang public accounting services, yung mga public accountants. Nagpe-prepare sila, nagre-review sila, nag-audit sila ng mga clients' financial statement. Yun ang ginagawa nila. O kaya naman, nagagawa sila ng mga preparation para sa income tax return. No, pwede din naman na consulting and advice involving accounting system. So, iba't iba yung ginagawa nila. Yan ay sineserve nila yung mga public. So, number 2 is private accounting. Pag pumunta na nga sila sa private companies, tinatawag na itong private accountant at yun ay private accounting na ang ginagawa nila. So, private accounting is when an accountant is employed by a single company. This type of accountants analyze and prepare financial report internally. Often, the private accountants will be responsible for accounts payable and sending invoices out to clients. Yung mga private accountant ay nagtatrabaho sa isang company, gumagawa yan ng mga financial report at sila ay nagsaserve doon sa company. So, responsable sila sa lahat ng accounts na ginagawa nila para doon sa kumpanya. Kaya sila private accountant or private accounting ang practice nila. When we say government accounting is the process of recording, analyzing, classifying, summarizing, communicating, and interpreting financial information. Lahat naman ng accounting ay ganon. Kaya lang ito, about government in aggregate and in details reflecting transaction and other economic events involving the receipt, spending, transfer, usability, disposition of assets and liabilities. Pagdating sa government accounting, ang pinapractice mo yung accounting sa loob ng gobyerno. Kasi magkaiba naman kasi ang accounting sa labas at accounting sa loob ng gobyerno. Kasi iba yung income, no? Ang income na tinatawag dito, ibig sabihin, ang income ng company ay iba sa income o pera ng gobyerno. Kasi ang pera ng gobyerno nanggagaling sa taxes o mga ibang income from the other asset of the government. So iba ang ano nito, no? Pagkatapos niyan, so nililista mo yung mga collection na yan at kung saan pumupunta. Yung mga gastusin naman nililista din doon sa government accounting. So, ang pang-apat ay accounting education. Means that education which teachers recording and maintaining books of accounts. In accounting education, we learn what is way of recording our different transactions. With this education, we can calculate our business result relating to different transaction and event. It is not easy to find the reward or return on investment made by businessmen. So, ibig sabihin yan means that education which teaches recording. Ito yung education na nagtuturo ng recording and maintaining of book of accounts. Sa accounting education, yan yung mga nagtuturo din sa ABM, nagtuturo sa accountancy, tinuturo yung mga tungkol sa book of accounts, maintaining book of accounts. So, punta tayo sa pinaka-branches, yung topic natin, branches of accounting. Ano-ano ba yung branches of accounting? So, meron tayong 8 branches of accounting. Financial accounting. The second is management accounting, cost accounting, government accounting. Ano pa? So, meron pang panlima. Ang panlima natin ay auditing, tax accounting, accounting education, and accounting research. So, financial accounting muna tayo. When we say financial accounting is a branch of accounting handling the recording of financial transaction of a business. The financial transactions are later summarized into a standardized accounting report, more popularly known as financial statement, for the benefits of the internal and external users. Pag sinabi natin financial accounting, ito isang branch ng accounting gumagamit ng recording. Sabi nga sa inyo, nagre-record sila, nag-a-analyze sila, nagsasummarize sila, and later on, ang final resulta nito, makapagpuproduce sila ng financial statement. At yung financial statement ay para sa benepisyo ng internal at external users. Sino yung internal users? Sino gumagamit nito sa loob? Ito yung mga gumagamit sa loob ng company. No? Pwedeng empleyado, pwedeng managers. External users, napakadami lahat ng gumagamit sa labas. Pwede ang bangko, pwede ang mga tao, depende, no? Depende. Lahat na nasa labas na wala sa company na gumagamit ng financial statement, yun ang tinatawag nating external users. So, ang ginagawa nito, ng financial accounting, nagpuproduce ng financial statement para ma-communicate yung information na nangyayari doon sa loob ng company. Ethical Code, Philippine Financial Reporting Standard. and the Philippine Accounting Standards supply guidelines on how companies should prepare their financial statement. Ang paggawa ng financial statement, hindi ito basta hinuhulaan, hindi basta ito ginagawa ng iba-iba. So meron sinusundan ito na standard coming from Philippine Financial Report Standard at coming from the Philippine Accounting Standard. Sila yung nagsusupply ng guidelines kung paano gagawin ng isang kumpanya ang isang financial statement. So, financial accounting. Financial accounting primarily prepared for user external to the company revenues and earning asset. Financial accounting is the field of accountancy concerned with the preparation of financial statement for decision makers. So, gumagawa nga ng financial statement para makapagawa ng decision to sa mga users, no? Para sa users yung accounting na yun. Financial accounting features to prepare accounting information for people outside the organization or not involved in the day-to-day running of the company. Naghahanda sila ng information para sa mga tao na wala doon sa organization pero kailangan yung kanilang information. Financial accountancy is governed by both local and international accounting standards. Sinusundan nito yung international saka local standard. So, concerned with the way business communicate financial information to the public. And financial accounting refers to accounting for revenues, expense, asset, liabilities. It involves the basic accounting process of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions. So, yung financial accounting, yan yung normal. Nagre-report yan tungkol sa revenues, expenses, ibig sabihin yung kinita ng kumpanya, mga gastusin ng kumpanya, yung pag-aari ng kumpanya, mga utang ng kumpanya. Nakalista lahat yan doon sa nire-record nila. Then, kina-classify nila yan, later on sa summarize at gagawa sila ng financial report. Financial statement are the main topics of financial accounting. So, ang pinaka-final na resulta nila, makakapag-produce sila ng mga financial statement. So, users of accounting information, yan yung mga gumagamit na kanilang information, gumagamit ng financial report. Sino yung gumagamit ng accounting na financial report na ginagawa ng financial accounting, no? Pinagawa ng mga financial accountant. Ang gumagamit niyan, mga investor, creditors, regulator, customers, and competitors. Yung mga external nasa labas ng kumpanya, ibig sabihin. Yung gumagamit naman ng internal users, nasa loob ng company, siyempre yung may-ari ng kumpanya, the owners, yung manager ng kumpanya, saka mga empleyado. So what are financial statement? Ano ba yung financial statement? Financial statements represent a formal record of the financial activities of an entity. These are written reports that quantify the financial strength, performance, and liquidity of a company. Financial statement reflects the financial effects of business transaction and events on the entity. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga record ng financial activities, yung mga nangyayari sa kumpanya, kung ano ang kumpanya, ano yung financial standing ng kumpanya, ano yung kalakasan ng kumpanya, nalulugi ba ang kumpanya? So, nakasulat lahat yan sa financial statement. Ano ba yung pag-aari ng kumpanya? So, nasisilip lahat yan doon. Magkano ba utang ng kumpanya? Andyan din yan sa financial statement. So, ano ba yung 4 types of financial statement? So, meron tayong 4, no? Statement of financial position, yung balance sheet. Ang pangalawa, yung income statement. Pangatlo, cash flow statement. Then, statement of changes in equity. Yan ay mga financial report o financial statement. Pangalawa, do we have enough cash to pay bill? So, yan yung mga kailangan natin malaman. How much is the cost of the producing each unit product? Can the company afford to give salary increase? Which product line is more profitable? How much is the company sales growth for the month? How much is the tax payable for the government? So, lahat yan ay pwedeng i-supply na information galing from financial statement. So, management accounting, no? So, management accounting. Punta tayo sa management accounting. Management accounting, it measures and report financial and non-financial information that helps managers make decisions to fulfill the goal of an organization. Yan yung management accounting. Mini-measure niya, measure and report financial and non-financial information that helps manager make decision. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-decision yung manager coming from this information, no? So yung management accounting na yan, what's management accounting is a branch of accounting which focuses on the preparation of financial reports used by managers in their day-to-day decision making. Reports generated are for internal users. Management report can be done whenever managers require specific reports. Management reports typically contains information regarding the amount of cash on hand, the level of sales revenue for a particular period, costs incurred, or even the comparison of actual results with budgeted amounts. The report contains forecasted information used by managers in planning. Pag sinabi natin management accounting, ito rin yung mga financial report na kinakailangan sa company. Kaya lang ito yung makatutulong sa mga managers to make economic decision. Para makapag-decide sila magkano ba ang gastusin natin araw-araw. Para makapaghanda sila. Magkano ba kinikita ng kumpanya, no? Tinitingnan nila yan. Pwede rin naman tingnan nila yung sales. Magkano ang laging sales natin every month. No, para makita natin kung magkano ang papasok sa susunod na buwan. Pwede rin nila tingnan yung forecasted information. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng gumawa ng forecasted financial statement. Halimbawa, nagkakaroon ng increase per year ng 15%, pwede na tayo mag-forecast for 5 years na magkakaroon ng additional increase kung normal yung operation of the business. Ethical code. Even the management reports do not follow requirements imposed by accounting standards like PFRS and PAS, management accountants are still expected to follow CIMA Code of Ethics. Kung hindi nila sinusunod yung standard ng PFRS sa ng PAS, sigurado naman susunod sila sa CIMA Code of Ethics. So, management accounting. So, that's main focus of managerial accounting is to help the managers for making better decisions. Tumutulong ito para makama yung decision na gagawin ng mga managers pag tumingin sa financial report. Because of all this reason, business and organization hire and managerial accountants, and thereby, they are becoming integral person of decision-making teams instead of just data providers. Hindi lang sila nagbibigay ng data, yung mga managerial accountants, kundi sila ay nagiging kasama dun sa magdi-decide sa gagawin sa kumpanya. So, pangatlo ay cost accounting. Ano ba yung cost accounting? Pag sinabi natin cost accounting deals with the recording, classification, allocation, and reporting of current prospective costs. No? Yung pinagkakagastusan. No? Cost accounting is defined as a kind of management accounting that translates the supply chain, the series of events in the production process that in concert result in production into financial values. So, ito yung purpose. The main object of cost accounting is to determine the cost of goods manufactured or produced by the business. Magkano ba yung cost ng goods manufactured? Yung nalikhang produkto, magkano yung gastusin doon. It helps the management of the business in controlling the cost by indicating avoidable losses and wastage, no? Ibig sabihin, tinitingnan nila magkano nagastos na manufacture na good para makapag-decide sila kung paano pa ito mapapamura, mapapaganda, mapapadali. So makapag-decide sila kung para walang masayang sa ginagawa nila mga produkto sa manufacturing. So let's go to government accounting. Pagdating sa government accounting, encompasses the process of analyzing, recording, classifying, summarizing, and communicating all transactions involving the receipt and disposition of government funds and property, interpreting the result thereof. Ibig sabihin, ang tinitingnan dito yung mga government funds and property. So, ibig sabihin, una, tumatanggap ang government ng mga taxes, nililista yan, tapos yung mga ginagastos ng gobyerno, nililista din yan. Yan ang nakalagay sa mga financial report. Siyempre, nakalagay din yung mga property ng government. So, mga ari-arian nila. Kasi magkaiba yung normal accounting. Ang normal accounting, nagbibigay ng puhunan ng mga investor dito. Hindi. Ang perang ginagastos sa government accounting galing sa mga tax ng tao. So, we are liable bilang government accountant na mag-report ng tama sa mga tao din. Ibig sabihin, saan ba napupunta yung mga pondo? Sa mga proyekto bang tama para sa tao? So, dapat may transparency dyan pagdating sa government accounting. Objectives ng government accounting: to provide information concerning past operation and present condition. to provide basis for guidance for future operation, to provide for control of the acts of public bodies and offices in the receipt, disposition, and utilization of funds and property, and to report the financial position and the result of operation of government agencies for the information and guidance of all persons concerned. So, napoprovide na information concerning sa past operation, yung dating operation, at kung anong present condition ng government, no? Yung mga gastusin sa gobyerno. Para makita din nila yung mga gastusin na gagastusin pa nila kasi nagpopondo yan eh. Magkano pondo dapat ngayon, magkano ang dapat makolekta. To provide for control of the acts of public bodies and offices in the receipt, disposition, and utilization of funds and property. Lahat yan ay dapat may mga resibo. So, yung mga tinatanggap natin, mga dinidispose, at mga ginagamit, lahat ng property ng gobyerno, lahat yan nire-record. So, yan yung mga pagdating sa gobyerno. So, ano to? Government accounting process. Responsible, yung COA, responsible for keeping the government's general accounts. Disseminate accounting rules to be used by all agencies. DBM, formulation and implementation and the national budget with the goal of attaining our national socio-economic plans and objectives. Efficient utilization of government funds and revenues. And BTR, safekeeping of the national funds, management and control of the disbursement of funds. Yan yung government accounting process kung paano na po proseso sa gobyerno yung accounting nila. Panlima, auditing. So ano naman itong auditing? So auditing is the independent examination of financial information of any entity, whether profit-oriented or not, and irrespective of its size or legal form. When such an examination is conducted with a view, it expressing an opinion thereon. Auditing is the branch of accounting involved in reviewing and evaluating documents, record, and control system. Pag auditing, ibig sabihin lang nito, ito isang branch ng accounting na ginagawa ay mag-review. Nire-review niya kung sumusunod ba sa standard ng accounting yung ginawa niya sa company. Ini-evaluate niya kung tama lahat yung pinagagawa, no? Tinitingnan niya yung mga dokumento. Lahat ba may resibo? Yung mga resibo ba may bura o wala? Sino ba pumirma doon sa mga resibo? Tama ba mga pumirma? Yan yung mga tinitingnan niya. Sa mga record, tinitingnan din yung control system. Sino ba dapat pumirma? Baka kung sino lang ang pumirma, no? Mayroon din yung tinatawag na signature verification sa auditing. Tinitingnan kung tamang tao talaga ang pumirma, baka mamaya ay dinaya yung pirma. So, ino-audit yan. Kasi tinitingnan lahat kung lahat yan ay may resibo. Hindi lang may resibo, ha? Kung lahat yung resibong yan ay tama sa presyo. Yan ay auditing, no? Tax accounting. Pag sinabi natin tax accounting is the branch of accounting relating to the preparation of filing and tax form with the government agency. So, ito yung branch na accounting related to sa preparation at sa pagpapile ng tax sa government agency. Tax accounting, the method of accounting that focuses on tax issues. This includes all activities related to filing tax returns and planning for future tax obligation. Lahat ng tungkol sa tax, andyan na yan. Tax planning to minimize tax payments is a significant part of tax accounting work. The basic rules, regulation of tax accounting are directed by IRC, Internal Revenue Code. Accounting research. So pag sinabi natin accounting research, deals with the creation of new knowledge. Ibig sabihin, may nakikreate tayo ng bagong kaalaman. Deciding and implementing new accounting and auditing standards. Presenting unusual economic transaction in the financial statement, learning how new tax laws impacts clients and employers, discerning how the accounting profession affects the capital market through academic accounting research. Pag accounting research, dalawang klase accounting research na ibig sabihin yan ay pwedeng academic or economic. Pag academic, ibig sabihin, nabibigyan halaga nito sa mga research na ito, yung education. Pag naman economic, ang nabibigyang halaga nito sa mga research niya ay ang mga industry, no? So yan ay deals with the creation of new knowledge. Nagre-research sila ng panibagong kaalaman. So pinag-aaralan nila. Pag akademya, magagawa sila. Sa mga tao ba nag-aaral ng ABM? Lahat ba sila ay marunong sa math? Yan ang resulta niya pag napag-aralan na ay pupunta sa education. So pagdating naman sa industry, ang pinag-aaralan nila industry. Ang tawag doon ay economic research. Accounting education. Pag accounting education means that the education which teaches recording and maintaining books of accounts in accounting education. We learn what is way of recording our different transactions. With this education, we can calculate our business result related to different transaction and event. It is not easy to find the reward or return on investment made by businessman. Ito yung mga nagtuturo sa ABM ng accounting. Ito rin yung nagtuturo ng accounting sa accountancy sa college. So, accounting education, yun yung sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, BSA, nagtuturo ng accounting, audit, administration, business laws, taxation, banking and finance, government, non-profit organization, academe, no? Yan yung part ng accounting education. So, yan. So, nakita natin, nadaanan natin yung 8 na branches, 8 branches of accounting. Lahat sila ay nagawa ng financial report. Lahat sila ay napakahalaga. Pagkagawa nila ng financial report, tinitingnan nila kung sino makikinabang dito. So, lahat sila gumagawa ng financial report para kanino, para saan. So, mayroong iba't ibang klaseng accounting or branches of accounting. Meron silang iba't ibang klaseng specialization. Sana ay natuto tayo dito. Natutunan natin ang 8 or 8 branches of accounting kung para saan sila. Okay po, maraming salamat. Sana po ay natuto kayo at huwag pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang ating channel.